So now we're actually driving into San Francisco. We're both really excited to be here. San Francisco has a really special place in both of our hearts. When we were in college, we would come out here a lot on trips, stay with our family who lived in like San Jose. So just coming to San Francisco is really nostalgic for us. San Francisco's kind of changed over the years, but our favorite hidden gems are still here that really make it feel like San Francisco to us. So we're really happy just to be here on like a restful little after Christmas getaway. So we can't wait to show you guys all these awesome places. At one of our favorite restaurants in Japantown Mall, Kushishuru. So we're really excited. Their udon is like amazing, and their croquettes and their rolls. So now we're gonna have lunch. It was so good. We got a rainbow roll. We also had like a spicy hamachi roll. That was out of this world. Amazing. I always get their udon because their udon is actually really fresh, so warm, especially in like the cold wind of San Francisco. We also got their croquettes. Danny got both like chicken teriyaki. We're actually driving down this street called Geary to the coast, to some of our favorite places that are on kind of like the north shore side of San Francisco. we're going into this little cave. We're gonna see what it's like, what's inside.